sounds interesting.
Yeah, but I can't believe this type of stuff is happening. Why do other countries feel the need to exploit other countries? This has been happening for hundreds of years.
I know, it's so disheartening. Not only in the Democratic Republic of Congo, but in so many other nations too. More developed countries always come to exploit the precious resources and minerals that other less developed countries have.
I just wish there was something to be done to stop this altogether.
Me too. I've brainstormed a few ideas. They seem kind of far-fetched, but what about you guys?
Yeah, I've been thinking too. What about changing the corrupt heads of state that continue to ignore the problem in favor of building their own profits?
Or maybe even finding alternatives to cobalt or using specialized machinery instead of people who are susceptible to getting sick.
Yes, those are some viable options, but the only thing, it'll take a lot of time and advocacy to come to pass.
Perhaps, but at least we know this isn't a total lost cause.
Hopefully one day we'll see it become a reality.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see y'all later.
Bye.